I'm Amanda. Welcome to Mikanda.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Amanda. And we're Mikanda.
No Amanda.
Hey! Hey, I'm right here! I'm right here, babe! Well, I guess he can't hear me. This weekend, I'm headed to my friend's baby shower. And all alone because Mike's doing his own adventure this weekend.
This weekend I am actually going to Fort Myers, Florida. So, and this was just determined like an hour ago, really, when I got home from work. So if it would have been sooner, I could have arranged something where we could went down together and all that, but the way it worked out is we have to drive separate. So, but I'm going to get a brand new trailer for the new boat because, as y'all know, in the last video the axles went to crap. So instead of just trying to fix it, which is plenty fixable, but instead of doing that, I'm just going to buy a brand new one and be done with it, and take really good care of it because we're taking a lot of trips down to Florida and back, and I want to have a really good working trailer to do that. I mean, if it was just up here going back to 4th of the Lake, I would just fix this one and be done with it. But since we're going to be going down to Florida and back a few times in this boat, I want to have a really good trailer. So that's what we're doing this weekend. So let's get on it.
I left about 2 hours ago and I'm on the interstate and I still have like 5 hours to go. All right, talk to you later. Let's see how Mike's doing.
We made it to Florida.
I finally have an hour left to go. It's almost, well, it's 6 o'clock now, so I'll get there about 7 and probably just settle in for the night. I've been getting by with my book on tape. It's a James Bond.
Sat frozen into black ice. With all her strength, she wrenched her.
So I'm in Orlando because my friends Sean and Rick are here for the weekend for Universal. So I decided to take a little detour and visit them for the night. Go have some dinner, stuff like that. If I can find the
Turn left onto Cabana Bay, then turn right.
the hotel they're staying at.
What's going on?
So this is the crew, and this is what
We
they got.
bring the fun.
This is what they got to greet me with. What?
I said most views you ever had.
Yeah, all right.
I just said I'm not fucking stable.
Hey, ride that shit.
Hey, Mike, get on, get on.
Huh?
Yeah, so you get after.
Holy sh! Don't put a hole in the wall. Oh my god.
It's this one.
We are in the back of a truck bed.
It's legal in Florida. But Sean's been drinking.
What?
I said Sean's been drinking.
Oh shit.
So we can't draw too much attention at all. Sub YouTube. That's how we roll.
Yeah.
Well, what? 3 hours later?
3 hours
Yeah,
later.
eating.
Good meal though.
We had some Dr. Julio and some fried shrimp with good.
I had some fruity drink. I can't remember what it was called. Some lemonade. So I stayed at the Hard Rock with Rick and Jessica last night. And I'm going back to the lobby to catch a ride with Sean to back to my truck, so I can go get the trailer. And there's Sean. What's up? Well, I got to the guy's house. So he said he'd meet me at his house for some reason. He's bringing the trailer to his house from his shop. I mean, it is Saturday, so maybe he's not really working today. I don't know, but yeah, I'm at his house.
All right, dressed and ready for the baby shower.
I think this is him pulling up. That's how you do it. So, this is the trailer. I got the guide poles in the bed. I got a spare too in the bed. Well, that's her.
Hi. Okay, so I came down to help Diana out with the shower. So the first game that we're gonna play. All right, guys. Thank you all for coming. We appreciate it. Oh, the kitty cat. Sorry. Love you all. Thank you.
Love you.
Okay, enjoy. Bye. Bye.
Well, we got the trailer, headed back to Orlando to catch up with my friends again and break up the trip and leave out in the morning. So I just picked up the trailer and the guy called like 2 seconds after I pulled out and said, "Hey man, I think he gave me $40 extra." And I was like, I think I counted it right. And he said, "Let me count it again and I'll call you back." So he did, and as soon as he hung up, I remembered that I didn't have the exact amount in there. I had like $42 or $45 extra in there, loose change. And so he called me back and said, "Yeah, you gave me like $40 something too much." And so I went back and got it, and I said, "Man, you're a good guy. Thanks for your honesty. Can't find that nowhere hardly anymore." So kudos to him. So I stayed at the rest stop last night. I stayed in my friend's hotel room first night and stayed in a rest stop last night in my truck. So I'm kind of being a rebel this weekend. And Amanda actually caught up with me. Shiz.
Shiny new trailer.
Okay, guys, we made it back home.
And we accidentally recorded this video in hyperspeed.
It's Amanda's fault.
Oops.
But if you like this video, comment,
Like, subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
See ya.